You playing, guys?
My hair color loves me back. Excellence cream from L'Oreal. Because we're worth it. Pillsbury Crescents. Fabulous. But when I add chicken, barbecue sauce, and cheese, and roll it
Are you
up,
having fun playing?
I've made a barbecue chicken crescent chowdown. Pillsbury Crescents. Let the making begin. Imagine skin so healthy it never gets dry again.
Can your moisturizer do that?
Dermatologist recommended Aveeno has an oat formula, now proven to build a moisture reserve so skin can replenish itself. That's healthy skin for life. Only from Aveeno.
I'm Bonnie, and this is my CBS. I don't have time for the flu. That's why
You're not playing today, Riff? You don't want to play today, do you?
Done. Hand sanitizer. Done.
Sequin and Stomp are going to play.
Hey, Eric. I'm here for my flu shot. Sorry, didn't make an appointment.
Well, you don't need one.
Whether it's flu shots or prescriptions, we continue to accept Express Scripts and Medco plans.
I'm Bonnie, and this is my CBS.
Go Olive Garden. Go for fresh tossed, fresh baked, and homemade. Dip into new chicken and potato Florentine. You know you want to. Go lunch on unlimited soup, salad, and breadsticks for only $6.95 when you go Olive Garden. There are lots of different ways to say get well to your loved ones.
This can't be you, Mommy.
But it takes the touch of Kleenex brand, America's softest tissue, to turn a gesture into a complete gift of care. Send your own free Kleenex care pack full of soothing essentials at Kleenex.com. Kleenex, America's softest tissue. You can't argue with nutrition you can see. Great Grains, free grain cereal starts whole and stays whole. See the same?
More processed flakes look nothing like natural grains.
On TV today, Sequin.
Nutrition.
What's your commercial?
Search Great Grains and see for yourself.
Watch Casey on TV. Casey! Ladies are gone. Gone. They're gone, Stomp.
Hoping to entice consumers now before the holiday rush. So how can you make the most of these deals? Gene Chasky is today's
Back to
financial
play
editor,
again.
and Jill Martin is
Good
today's
boys.
and Us Weekly contributor. Ladies, good morning. Your tag